Hey everybody, this is Gavin from Fresh Eco Steam Cleaning, and working on the car today. Let me show you what I'm working with. Check this out. So this is the car I'm working on inside. The detail and interior of the car, cleaning out with steam. It's my little nozzle right there. Check it out so far. Got the mats. Not dressing the mats, obviously. I'm just gonna go ahead and clean it out. Seats, steam clean. Seat belts, steam clean. Pretty much everything in here has been steam clean. The back seats, they were pretty dirty. We steamed them out. Out here, everything. You can see the other side here too. We cleaned it out. Oh, first time I've ever been in a cop car. Well, they tell me this is a supervisor's car, so there's no cage in the back here, and they took out a lot of the equipment before I can play with it. It was computers and all kind of stuff in here. But yeah, I think this is a Dodge Charger. In the detail here, it's getting clean. Almost done. Got to do a couple more areas, wipe it down, and then this one will be back on the road, ready to service. But yeah, let's look at the front. Or I took the coffee cup out and cleaned underneath it. Buttons for the light and so forth. The door panel, you can see it's still a little wet. This car's not getting any dressing, so I'll just dry it out. Seats been steam clean. Everything nice. But yeah, it's the one I'm working on today. This is Gavin for Fresh Eco Steam Cleaning. Y'all take care. Bye.